welcome back. So we decided that we needed to pause on the bathroom build for a little bit so that we could prevent a possible incoming issue with either rodents or insects. We have not yet closed up the soffit area, so that is the goal, is to go ahead and get that closed up. And the way we are going to do that is by using the Shou Sugi Ban method on the boards that we're using to cover it up. So that's an old Japanese technique of preserving wood that's going to be on the exterior of a house, basically by burning the wood, brushing it down, hosing it off, and then sealing it. So that's the plan.
Yeah, so we're working with a torch. So we gotta wash the beard, wash your hair, and we should be fine.
Yeah.
Aaron is a trained professional at a lot of things, but not this.
Yeah, and we don't want a bald cat, so be sure to
Yeah.
put a ponytail in there.
No, we're not. That's not happening. That'll never happen.
All right, let's go.
Yep.
as you can see, this is what we started with, and this is our end result right here. We haven't finished torching all of our boards, so we're gonna need to finish that tonight. But for now, since Josh is still at work, I'm gonna go ahead and go in here with this nylon brush, rub these guys down, and then hose them down with some water. How much you torch them really depends on the result that you're looking for. Some people just completely burn them down until they have a very alligator skin-like looking texture on them. That's not the look we're going for, but you will see this change color as we get in there and start rubbing it down. So let's do it, and let's see how this goes. So now that the boards have been torched, brushed off, hosed down, and they've dried, I'm ready to start sealing them. Okay guys, so the boards are done and drying and waiting for install. So our little huntress, the cat, the real cat, not this cat, will no longer have to guard the house from mice.
So we've been wanting to do this technique for a while. We got it done. We really like the color.
Yeah.
It's dark. We're going to do the siding the same exact way, but we're probably going to go a little bit lighter on the burn to go a little lighter in the siding.
Yeah, so you can see more of the grain. You can see
Yeah.
it really nicely in this, but we'd like to be able to see it even a little bit more for the siding. So we're pretty excited about that.
Yep. And once we get that done, we're back into the bathroom. The problem is that she can't figure out what type of towel she wants, so that's an ongoing fight that I got. It's in my plate. So
we're bouncing all over the place. We're not really sure. We've got an idea. We know the look that we want to go for, but we also don't have any tile stores around to go look at. So it's kind of a problem.
What are you talking about?
Oh yeah, the one that's right down the road from
Oh,
us
yeah.
out here. Okay,
Oh,
so that's it. You got anything else?
No. Did you enjoy the project?
I actually did. Yeah, it was cool. Like you said, it was something I wanted to do for a while. I think it turned out really neat, and it's always fun to play with fire. Responsibly, of course.
Yeah, it was a good time. So you worked while I was at work, so we were pretty much double teaming that thing, which is good.
Yeah.
So that's it.
All right, guys. If you liked the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Yep, see ya. Oh, I hate you.
Hey guys, welcome back. Yes, Josh is wearing the same sweatshirt he wore in the last video. Okay, seriously.
Bugs everywhere, dude.
I don't know why the fine are on you and not me.
You know why?
Because you stink, obviously. I don't know what to tell you. Okay. It's a twin thing.
Oh yeah. Hi. Hi.
Okay, are you ready?
She loves it.
Here, let me try it on you. Okay, ready?
Alright.
Okay, so the boards.
My eye. Wait to me. Let's go! Woo! Yeah! Only mother can love that face. Go.
You shouldn't talk about yourself like that.
Oh man. Talk about you, obviously. And you snorted off too. That won't make it into a video. Jeez.
Okay.
Yeah, poor get big over here, you know? You okay?